Today is my special day and it's my birthday. Titreat lang nila ako, guys. See you later! Dito na ako ngayon sa MTR ng In today's video, mga friends, mga palito sari-sari, I'm gonna share with you my unforgettable experience bonding with the parents of my employer. I arrived at our meeting place ahead of 30 minutes, kaya naglibot-libot muna ako sa City Plaza. This is my first time na makabanding ko sila sa Yam Cha Chinese restaurant, kaya marami akong dapat matutunan for today. Pinila nila ako ng napakasarap na dark chocolate cakes for my birthday na pinagsaluhan namin together. Anim na klase ng dimsum ang aming kinain at napakasarap lahat ng pagkakaluto at nabusog lahat kaming tatlo. During our 1 hour of stay at the Yam Cha Chinese restaurant, marami akong natutunan na ikwento at naibahagi ang parents ng aking employer on how to say thank you, how to respect those people serving foods in our table. Tuklas kaalaman po tayo and the story begins.
Like this, you means thank you. There's a story, because in the olden time there's a king of China. They are very, how to say it,
Powerful, special.
everyone, when they in front of the emperor, the king, they have to always like this. At one time, the China emperor to go around the country to see what happened. Like this, he just want to visit the country, the people, like this. But he doesn't want the other one knows he's the highest emperor. But his followers, his servant, of course, only a few of them follow him, but they don't want anyone to know.
This guy is like this.
At that time, they go out to eat. The followers, like this, they don't want to have such a they did like this. They don't want to show to the other one. They use this to mean symbol, to mean she's kneel down in front of the emperor. Use this.
This symbolizes
from after that, the people always that means to say they respect the other.
I respect.
Respect, and this means they say thank you and show their respect. You can say.
On this day na kumain kami sa Yam Cha restaurant, marami akong natutunan na itinuro ng parents ng aking employer. Dinemonstrate or tinuro nila yung proper way na paglilinis ng mga pinggan, ng mga bowl, ng mga kutsara, ng mga chopsticks before na mag-start kumain, and kung paano ma-refill yung water and tea namin. While we are walking, going to Yam Cha Chinese restaurant, inabot ang 2 red packets na to ng parents ng amo ko as their birthday present to me. I'm so grateful for them dahil aside sa pinakain na ako sa Yam Cha Chinese restaurant, binigyan pa nila ako ng another surprise for my birthday. And when I arrived back home, inabutan din ako ng daughter nila ng red packet as my birthday present. Kaya sobrang happy ako and thankful for them. This is how my special day or birthday ended, full of good memories and full of eating. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Behind the scene, I will share with you kung ano yung itsura ng Thai Cuisine. Yung itsura ng Thai Cuisine Mall, mga guys, ang luwag at ang ganda. Ang bungad nito sa left side, yung Zara na boutique. And at the right side naman, ito, Swarovski. Go straight and makikita mo na yung mga nagagandang mga design. Ayan. Ang yayamanin na mall kasi puro nakatira dito mga guys, mga foreigner. May ice skating dito guys. Ito yung style na meron ang Thai Cuisine. Ayan, ang taas niyan guys, ang taas. H&M. Yan. Puro nagkikintaban ng mga poste. Transparent yung ceiling guys. Kita yung labas. Mga building sa taas. Maluwag dito guys, maluwag. Everyone, it's me again, SARI TV. At dito ako ngayon sa Thai Cuisine, sa Ice Plaza ng Thai Cuisine Mall. Today's video guys, mall tour tayo kasi today is my first injection ng COVID. Magmimit kami ni Popo and Dieye, yung parents ng amo ko. Kasama ko sila mamaya doon sa Causeway Bay to receive my first dosage of COVID. injection. Kaya guys, tutok lang po kayo kay Dudong Sari-Sari mamaya to update you kung paano yung feeling at kung paano yung process na ginagawa para sa COVID injection. Hindi ba? Saya-saya. Hope everyone from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao part of the world. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay healthy po tayo, and thank you for watching. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful and may you learn something new. If you guys have any suggestions or questions, please feel free to comment on the comment section down below. And please don't forget to like and share this video to our friends and family.